Where you spend more time than anywhere inside of your home, Span's gonna help you save more money and feel a little bit more secure, like if your power does go out. I'm Dan, I have a YouTube channel called What's Inside. We've been making videos since I think 2014, and it started with cutting things open and seeing what's inside of stuff. And now I've kind of turned into, in a way, a tech expert. When we got our solar and when we got our power walls, I was pumped. I was like, this is it, we are set. Turns out that my power walls were dumb. And so it's almost like Span gave my power walls a brain that I control easily within the app. My refrigerator, my washer and dryer wasn't even connected. Our food would have all just gone bad on our old setup. Now, every breaker is connected to my power wall, and that I can select via the app, push a button and choose which AC unit I want running, which lights I want running. I love the graphics that it shows, like where the energy is currently coming from in your house. Sometimes I see some things that are using like 35% of all the energy in the house right now. I'm like, what is this? After watching Span for a little while, I'm like, I'm using so much energy, and it's the server room and it's the air conditioner. So I went up there, simply just turned off the air conditioner. We were able to save so much energy cost just by me pushing one little button and turning it off. It's just like these small changes that you would never think, but I'm saving 15% off my energy bill. I've been geeking out about the data ever since, just kind of going through, trying to make my house as efficient as possible. Give it a few years and the old breakers are gonna be gone, and it's gonna be a feature that everybody's gonna feature in their houses. Like, how are you a home builder making a home in the 2023, 2024, 2025, and you're not putting in a smart panel in somebody's house? Like, I think this is gonna be a standard feature that everybody's gonna get pretty soon.